Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Verify the NVR firmware matches camera compatibility and update it if required. Once done, physically connect the camera to the same local network. Use a PoE port when available to power and network in one cable. Make sure you know the camera's default IP, admin username, and password so you can log in. This speeds discovery and avoids address conflicts. Now open the NVR interface to start adding devices to a channel slot. You navigate to Menu, then Configuration, and choose Camera or Device Management to start. Use Auto Search to find cameras on the LAN. If not found, use Manual Add and enter the camera IP, protocol, typically Hikvision or Nvr, username and password. Once the NVR authenticates, select the device and assign it to an available channel. Enable that channel so the stream routes to recording. Make sure stream type and resolution match your recording plan to avoid dropped frames. You finalize by configuring recording parameters. Set continuous or motion schedules, quality and retention days. Then test live view on the assigned channel, physically adjust camera focus or angle if needed, and save all settings. If the camera shows offline, first ping the camera IP from the NVR or PC to confirm network reachability. Make sure credentials are correct and there are no IP conflicts. If problems persist, power cycle the PoE port or camera. This often resolves initial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.